Another type of validation you can apply to your list is a whole number validation. For example, I'm going to click in the cell E2 and press Ctrl-Shift down arrow twice. I want to create a rule that basically insists that if they enter a year, it has to be greater than 2012. So from the Data tab in the ribbon and in the Data Tools group, I'm going to click Data Validation. At the top, I'm going to choose Settings, and I'm going to not allow the user to enter any value, but instead insist that they enter a whole number. And the whole number that they enter must be greater than 2012. The error alert I'm going to apply is a stop style, and the title is Invalid Year. And the error message I'd like to add, the year entered must be at least 2013. And I'll click OK. If I then enter a year into any cell in column E, such as 2012, I'll get my error. The year entered must be at least 2013. So I'll go retry and escape. And I've applied a data validation that is a whole number.